if you don't have the
I
discipline.
honestly don't
You
know
can forget about the
how
trophy.
people can
You
be
can forget about
just
the
fine
success, the
living a
greatness.
normal
All
life.
champions have discipline.
Like, this is my last
It's
year
the
of
discipline to
school,
work hard.
and I regret like not leaving school earlier
You know,
to
not when
focus
everyone is
on my
watching,
grind, my hustling,
but when no
on
one is watching.
starting a business
When the fans aren't
or
there.
starting
When the coach
businesses.
isn't there.
But
When it's just you
it's
and
too
your
late for me
character.
now. It's not too late for me to drop out, but like
The
I
discipline
think
to
like
eat strong, healthy foods.
why
When you
would I
have
want to
other
drop
tempting
out
options.
when this is my
When
last year?
those
But
around you
I'm still
might not be so
grinding.
strong. The
I'm
discipline to
still
say no.
walking towards my
When those
breakthrough,
around you
and
choose
I
to be
know it will
average.
come, and I will never give up. So I will be looking back on these videos I made
The discipline to
and I
keep
posted on
going
YouTube
when it
when I
hurts.
make when I make it in
Because
life.
life
So yeah,
doesn't give you what.
I don't know how you can love this normal life, how you can love this normal existence, working 9 to 5s, working. Good morning, boss. What kind of life is that? That's not a life worth loving, right? That's not a kind of life worth loving. So get on your grind, put in the hard work, and start focusing on yourself. Focus on your businesses, on your goals. You will make it. Just believe in yourself. Be disciplined. Don't count on motivation. Just be disciplined.